Most proposals for the use of electrical vehicles supposes that the owner of the car would own the batteries and would recharge them at home. The charger built into cars runs off 110 volts and takes 12 to 14 hours to recharge a single battery. The currently available batteries are lead acid and give cars with reasonable performance only a very short range, about 50 miles. Maybe a different notion of how electrical cars would be serviced would help. Here is a proposal for battery swapping that would work even with lead acid batteries. There are battery swapping stations along roads used as follows. The driver stops at a yellow line. The car is identified electronically both as a type and as to the account to be charged. The swap machine has enough forward and back adjustment so that parking doesn't have to be more accurate than is convenient. It opens the battery compartment door or signals the car to open it. The swap machine is cantilevered into its stand, where it works from side to side or from back to back. Will probably be a matter of convention. Although it may be better to settle on a versatile machine, this would give car manufacturers more freedom in design. It withdraws the battery pack and puts it on a belt to be moved into the recharging room. Then it picks up the appropriate replacement pack from another belt and puts it in the car, and signals the car to reconnect. It closes the battery compartment door or signals the car to do it. The batteries are the property of a battery company rather than the owner of a car. The batteries are unlikely to ever get into a particular car again. Freeways would have drive-through battery replacement lanes every 10 miles along the sides. Although after a swap, the car might be able to go 40 to 50 miles before needing another swap, the 10 interval miles is estimated for cars entering the freeway only partly charged and entering in several places. The time a driver would spend swapping batteries would be about the same as filling up a tank of gas. The cost of the system would be similar to those of current systems or service stations. Creating battery swapping stations is a viable proposal to allow for the greater use and production of electric cars, allowing us to reduce consumption of fossil fuels and foster a more green approach to driving.